Why do you always feel bushwhacked by your business insurance? Good question. Hi, Ryan Hanley here, founder and president of Rogue Risk, where we do insurance differently, specifically by giving you knowledge and information to make the right insurance decision. Now, our Good Question series is all about answering common questions that we get here at Rogue from our small business clients to help leaders, business owners better understand their insurance, which our philosophy is sets the foundation for the growth of your business. If you don't have a strong foundation in insurance, you can't take the risks necessary to grow your business. So if you enjoy this content, if you want to help share this content, just smash that like button so more small business owners see it. And if you want more of this content, hit subscribe. We appreciate you doing that. Now, when it comes to being bushwhacked by your business insurance, what we mean here is things happening that you don't expect, right? It's just not going the way you would assume a transaction would go. Policies, decisions being made, claims being paid, billing issues, issues with your policy forms, issues with communications. It just always feels like the insurance buying process is more complicated than it should be. And the truth is, unfortunately, in many regards, it still is too complicated. And this is one of the problems that we're trying to solve here at Rogue by smoothing this process out, by setting expectations, by having clear, transparent communications about pricing, about coverage, using things like video proposals, e-signatures. We have a client portal that gives our clients access to their policies and information 24/7. And we're doing this while still maintaining the variety of coverages, the variety of carriers, the variety of pricing that comes through a true independent insurance agency. Now, that all being said, the process is still not perfect. And while there are many providers in the marketplace who are working to solve this issue, oftentimes marrying access to multiple carriers, access to a wide variety of coverages and pricing is kind of given away in exchange for a single product that may be easier to deal with, but ultimately doesn't always deliver from a coverage and pricing standpoint. And this is the decision that consumers are left with, and it's unfortunate. Now, the middle ground here is what we at Rogue call a human optimized agency, and that's what we're trying to build, which is where we're taking the best pieces of this digital world and matching them with the best pieces of traditional insurance to give you clear, concise communication on real time, on your terms, with access to whatever you need from a policy standpoint, and doing it while still comparing and giving you access to a wide range of coverage and pricing. Now, that process doesn't always happen as smoothly as it should, but it is happening more and more often. And this is what we believe. This is how we believe the trust and relationship between a consumer and an insurance provider, an agency or a brokerage in our case, is built, right? You have to trust that we're being open and transparent with you, that we're giving you access to your information, that we're trying to be proactive with our communication as much as possible to help sidestep anything that would make you feel like it's coming out of left field, because that's the worst feeling in every aspect of our life. You never like to be surprised by something, and surprised by something in a bad way, I guess. I like good surprises. But, in this regard, it takes work and trust on both sides of the equation, and that is always my advice. Trust who you work with. Trust who you work with, and whatever that means to you when it comes to insurance. Because if you trust that person, then when something does come out of left field that you don't expect, you can have faith that they're going to fix that problem for you and get it resolved, and that it's not a big issue. So find someone that you can trust. Find someone who's going to work on your terms. And if you can do that, less and less often will you feel bushwhacked by your business insurance, because you'll be having those open communication, open dialogues that just make the process more transparent. So a lot of buzzy terms in there to really mean find someone you can trust, have robust conversations with them as much as necessary, and hopefully they have technology in place that allows you access and availability to information communication that is necessary for you to run your business. So if this is the kind of relationship that you're looking for, we would love to work with you. You can call us, 518-960-6600. We work in all 50 states, and we work just with small business owners. That's our focus. So you can give us a call. You can visit us online, roguerisk.com, or I'm sure there's a button or a link somewhere around this video that will let you contact us. Whichever way you choose. We look forward to working with you.